Okay, back again. The camera is a bit wobbly. So let me just clear up some things again. This will be a part 2 video on things to do with Visual Studio. So haven't received an update on Visual Studio collectively, or let me say holistically, in a while. The last update was Visual Studio 2022 with some iterations within that thing, that update line. And yeah, and thing like that. So the latest versions, like I have, is 17.10. So it should be around the 17 point something within Visual Studio 2022. But I've just been thinking about it. Could Visual Studio 2022 be the last one of its kind? And could these guys be thinking of waving off Visual Studio 2025 and just going with the updates like the way they do updates for VS Code? I mean, there's no VS Code 2021, 2022, 2023, and so forth and so on. It's just VS Code. It comes with updates like that. So I was just thinking about it. Could maybe even 2020 Visual Studio 2025 be the last one of this kind? Was 2022 where things end like that? So I don't know. It's up to them. Not so far from the end of the year. So the .NET 10 is coming towards the end of the year. So I don't know. Maybe Visual Studio 2025 will arrive within that time frame window. And I like Visual Studio 2025. It's cool. I like VS Code. It's fast. It's light. Yes, Visual Studio is a bit of a memory is it? Resource hungry application. Even if you got 24 gig of RAM on the computer, then okay, I'm still using a old clunky state hard drive. I haven't switched to an SSD. So yeah, but let's wait and see what the guys are planning that side. But I hear there's lots of good stuff coming in the future for Visual Studio. So this is the end of this video. Remember to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos land. And yeah, peace. I'm going to make another video again. I'll press stop here.